I grew up on the water. I've heard strange noises, some that I can't explain, and I've spent my life searching for evidence to show you. I've encountered great beasts. It's been very dangerous. There. Do you hear it? It's puzzled me. Is it some form of communication? I don't know. Have you ever heard of Moby Dick? Or what about the fabled Megalodon? I have searched 75% of the oceans with a ship that I have created. I've encountered many great monsters, and I'd like to share these encounters with you in the following clips. Warning, these are not for the faint of heart. After many years of research, I have pinpointed to 3 locations and to a place we know as the Bermuda Triangle. These sounds are them coordinating plans to destroy all evidence of their existence. Now, I ask you, listen to the voices again. Do you hear it? It's not 1, but 3. I have reason to believe that it is the offspring of the Megalodon and the great albino white whale. I'm a believer. Are you?